Hello everyone, welcome back to City News. Today's big news is Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar of India has resigned from his position. In this video, we will walk you through his background, the resignation process, and what he said about stepping down. Let's get started. In his resignation statement, Dhankar said it has been an honor to serve as the Vice President of India. After thoughtful consideration, I have decided to step down to pursue other commitments and goals. He thanked the people of India and expressed hope for the country's continued progress and unity. Jagdeep's resignation opens up the search for the next vice president. Political analysts are speculating about his future role, with many wondering if he will return to active politics or focus on legal practice or other initiatives.
वो चिंता मुक्त हो जाए। मैं न दबाव में रहता हूँ, न दबाव देता हूँ, न दबाव में काम करता हूँ और न किसी से दबाव में काम कराता।
Vice President spoke respectfully about Prime Minister Narendra Modi on multiple occasions. In his resignation letter, Dhankar expressed deep gratitude to PM Modi and the Union Council of Ministers, calling their support invaluable and stating that he had learned much during his time in office. Earlier during his tenure as Rajya Sabha chairman, Dhankar maintained that while he could not direct the PM to be present in Parliament, Modi, like any MP, had the prerogative to decide when to attend. Dhankar also praised the RSS, closely linked to Modi's political base, describing it as having unimpeachable credentials and being a global think tank of the highest order, reflecting a tone of respect for the broader ideological ecosystem Narendra Modi represents.
मेरे आपसे आग्रह है और भारत के संविधान के तहत दूसरे पद पर विराजमान व्यक्ति आपसे अनुरोध कर रहा है कि कृपया करके मुझे बताइए, क्या किसान से वादा किया गया था और वादा किया गया वादा क्यों नहीं निभाया गया और वादा निभाने के लिए हम क्या कर रहे हैं। गत वर्ष भी आंदोलन था, इस वर्ष भी आंदोलन है, काल चक्कर घूम रहा है, हम कुछ कर नहीं रहे।
In his resignation letter, Jagdeep Dhankar expressed his appreciation for Prime Minister Modi by stating, Prime Minister's cooperation and support have been invaluable and I have learned so much during my time in office. Jagdeep Dhankar, Vice President, age 74, resigns as Vice President on July 21, 2025, citing health reasons and the need to follow medical advice. In recent months, he had experienced notable health issues, including hospitalization due to cardiac-related ailments and an incident where he fainted during a public event at Kumaon University. Jagdeep Dhankar was born on 18th May 1951 in Kithana, a village in Rajasthan. He belongs to Hindu Jat community. Parents were Gokul Chand and Kesri Devi. He attended local government schools in Kithana and Gardhana, admitted to Sainik School Chittorgarh on a full merit scholarship after passing the entrance examination. He completed the Indian School Certificate examination recognized by the University of Cambridge. He did BSc Honours in Physics from Maharaja College, University of Rajasthan, Jaipur, and LLB from University of Rajasthan in 1979. He became a lawyer in 1979, enrolling with the Bar Council of Rajasthan, designated as senior advocate by the Rajasthan High Court in 1990. He also served as president of the Rajasthan High Court Bar Association and worked on high-profile cases. He practiced constitutional law in the Supreme Court of India and several high courts. He entered politics in 1989, elected as a member of Parliament Lok Sabha from Jhunjhunu, Rajasthan on a Janata Dal ticket. He held office as Union Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs from 1990 to 1991 in the Chandrasekhar government. He moved to the Indian National Congress in 1991, contested the Ajmer Lok Sabha seat and later won a legislative assembly seat from Kishangarh, Rajasthan in 1993 and served till 1998. He joined Bharatiya Janata Party again in 2003, becoming active in its legal affairs and advisory roles. He was appointed Governor of West Bengal in July 2019 and noted for an assertive tenure. He was nominated and elected as the 14th Vice President of India in July-August 2022. Jagdeep Dhankar's journey from a village in Rajasthan to the vice presidency highlights a progression from law to high politics office marked by significant roles in the legislature, the executive, and various political parties.